Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Wang. Here is the question. If 2 plus square root of 3 to the power x plus 2 minus square root of 3 to the power x equals 8, what is the value of x? How to solve this kind of exponential equation for x value? We define a new variable, t equals 2 plus square root of 3 to the power x. Because 2 plus square root of 3 is bigger than 0. Therefore, t is bigger than 0. From the simple factor, 2 plus square root of 3 times 2 minus square root of 3 equals 1. Why it is 1? 2 square is 4, square root of 3 square is 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. This implies 2 minus square root of 3 equals 1 over 2 plus square root of 3. This implies 2 minus square root of 3 to the power x equals 1 over 2 plus square root of 3 to the power x. The denominator is t. Now we are ready to rewrite the given equation in terms of t. The first part is t. The second part is 1 over t. T plus 1 over t equals 8. Both sides times t. We have t squared plus 1 equals 8t. Move everything to the left-hand side. We have t squared minus 8t plus 1. This is a quadratic equation. We use the quadratic formula to find two answers for t. T equals negative 8 plus minus square root of negative 8 squared minus 4 times 1 divided by 2. This is the formula. Simplify the right-hand side. We have t equals 4 plus minus square root of 15. What is the definition for t? T equals 2 plus square root of 3 to the power x. How to solve this equation for x? Both sides take the log to the base 2 plus square root of 3. We have x equals log of 4 plus minus square root of 15 to the base 2 plus square root of 3. Here we have two solutions for x, plus, minus. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.